Hey friends, Alok and Anjali here. We're excited to share one of our favorite partner poses that is fairly advanced. So if handstand isn't part of your practice, please just do the first step where you're lifting the leg into a modified downward dog.
This is actually an incredible way to gain more confidence in a pose that might be challenging for you. So for me, I can't actually do a handstand on my own, but when I have the support of a partner or a wall, it's doable. So just enjoy what can happen when you have the support of a partner, the freedom, the playfulness, the curiosity, and always be in good communication. So let your partner know if you need to come down, if you need anything different at all. It's all about the journey, and it's about having fun while you're doing it.
All right, so we'll start back to back, finding a little bit of support and leaning into your friend. Palms at the heart. Just take a deep breath together. Release the arms. Hands by your side, thumbs face out. And then all four fingers together, find a grip. And start to lean away from each other, trusting that your partner has you. Lift through the heart and find that ideal distance from each other where you should feel a great stretch. Tucking in the low belly here, the ribs. Nice deep breath. And then slowly release, coming back to your own 2 feet. Shake out the arms, bend the knees, and walk or slide your hands down your legs into a forward fold. Once you're there, grab outside your legs for a forearm grip. Again, find that ideal distance where you can really trust your partner. Start with bent knees and lean forward like your head is going to fall toward the floor. Then you can slowly straighten your legs for more deep stretch. Release the hands. Find your hands on the floor and walk forward and walk your heels to touch. This will be a narrow downward dog, much less wide than their normal down dog. Finding one foot to foot, sole to sole connection. Really make sure that your ball of your foot is connected, and then slowly begin to lift those legs up. If you can't straighten the legs, just stay there where you are and enjoy the stretch. If you have the legs straight, begin to float the opposite leg, lifting it up into a V. Handstand with your partner. Smile, breathe. And then softly release. And we'll try the other side. Find that soul to soul connection. Ball the foot together, lift those legs up. Again, just stay here, it's a beautiful stretch. If you have a handstand practice, begin to lift that opposite leg. Find a nice V. Your shoulders should be right over your wrists. If not, you need a narrower dog to start. Slowly come down and find child's pose. Head on the floor. Slowly sitting up. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Namaste from Anjali and Alok.
Take good care.